So we're here with head coach of Camperdown High School, new face to the program, Coach KARUMIE HUE. First of all, Coach, how are you doing?
Doing fine, real fine. I'm proud of my boys.
I just proud of the boys. This is a new program. How did Coach KARUMIE HUE and Liberty ALIMAN end up at Camperdown? Last year we saw you guys at Tivoli High School. What is going on? Conquering all the schools?
What we try to do, we try to help and assist, and we see where needed. We need to come and reconstruct and redevelop and build something for the future. Sometimes you have to take small steps before you can make the bigger steps. So it's a nice little program that we have, taking it one day at a time. It is not easy, but it's a task. I spoke to someone this morning and tell me, say, you need to come out of your normal situation. This is not a normal situation, so me like it.
What exactly attracted you guys to Camperdown? I'm sure you guys have other suitors.
The history, and the culture at the school is one that football was them tradition. 76, 77, 78, 82 them win triple champion, and that culture is there from Jackie Walters. So we just have to just continue build on what we have here. Our objective is to be competitive and to be challenging the same way. Not to say but we just come here to have a fun time. No, we are here to compete and we are here to put our best foot forward. A little luck here and there maybe, and we maybe have a better result today.
All right, Coach, talk to me about today's performance and conceded an early goal, and I'm sure that somehow affected the game. Talk to me about your team's overall performance.
When we started today, when you're dealing with the youngsters, especially players that playing for the first time Manning Cup, I think we only just have 2 players that played last year on the field, even in the team right now. And these are youngsters that's coming through court and even just playing for the first time. This is the competitiveness of this competition, is that each game going to be competitive. So you have to just try encourage them, try to build them spirit. And for me personally, the goal was a soft one, but with a young team, maybe I was saying to myself, boy, here it goes. But them stand and withstand the pressure and find them way to get more in the game. As I say, a little more believing in themselves and putting on the ball a little more, and we could have a better result. But for me, it's building. We just need to build on it. And it won't get any easier, because we leave here, at Saturday we'll be playing Idle. You understand? And it's a very good team. So
really good performance
yesterday. So we have to just brush off yourself and come again.
All right. Talk to me about that group. How do you feel Camperdown can do in that group? Had a good season the year before last. Last year wasn't so great. But how can you do in a group with Heidel, Kingston College, Charlie Smith, who made it to the second round last year? What are you looking to do?
Everybody starting at 0, So we're going our way to Heidel, and going to be a good game. What we need to do now is just prepare for that team. Look at who have the little knock here and there and start building for that game. So it's going to be difficult. Charlie Smith, Calabar, Champion, Idle, all good teams, like Kingston College. So it's going to be the good thing about it for me personally. If you don't learn out of this zone in terms of the competitiveness going into the next round, whichever 2 or 3 come on, it's going to be a nice second round. You understand? So I'm enjoying it, and we're going to be out there competing, and we're going to be if we're not competing, you can't come on the field. If you're not plan for run, you're not going to play. So that is the standout. If you're not plan for run, don't come to Camperdown.
Here we go. Coach, a rough one today, a 1-0 loss, but I wish you all the best in this year's Manning Cup, because this group is something that I like. So hopefully you guys can have a good season.
Yeah man, thank you very much. Hope so myself.
All right, big